Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 1.4 and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with a welcoming screen where you get to select your desired language by tapping right over here. So I'm going to be sticking with English, choose a region, and from here we can select Let's Go. This will bring us to the SIM insert page, so this is completely optional. You can pop in your SIM card if you want to, or completely disregard it if you don't feel like doing it right now. Now, the reason we have that SIM card right here is because the next page is also Wi-Fi, and this gives you an option to connect to network either through a SIM card or Wi-Fi. And if you connect through either one of those, you will later on have the option to log into your Google account throughout the setup process. But if you choose to skip both of them, like I will, then Google login page will not show up throughout the actual setup. You can later on change that by going into the settings, so don't worry about that one. Now, additionally, if you don't choose any kind of network, date and time won't be set automatically. So as you can see, there we go. We can fix it up if you want to. And on the next page, we have Google services. So we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So briefly going over those, location is just GPS tracking for applications like Google Maps. Scanning allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and send user and diagnostic data allows Google to spy on you. Then on the next page, we will have just a screen lock option. So here you can choose to have a fingerprint, PIN, pattern, or password. Now if you're planning to add a fingerprint, you will also be required to set a PIN on your device anyway. So I'll be setting up just a PIN right here, or pattern. As you can see, it automatically defaults into a PIN, but if you want to use something else, you can tap right here and choose pattern or also password. So let's draw the pattern, tap on next, repeat it, confirm it, and now it's set. And it automatically proceeds further to try to set up a fingerprint, but I'm just gonna go back and then select skip, which will just skip the fingerprint itself. And then also wants to set up a face recognition, which I don't want to, so again, skip. You are nearly ready to go, so we have by tapping Let's Go, you agree to joining the user experience program. So this is completely up to you if you want to join it or not. I'm selecting Not Now. And this presents us with the home screen, with the device being fully set up. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.